Hey, what's up YouTube? I wanted to make this video how to help prevent bleed through when you're only standing one side of a fence. So here's a very light coat versus flood coating it right off the bat. We're using a cedar tone today. Let me go show you the other side of these panels. This is the opposite side. I mean, I'm not seeing any bleed through really at all. Now let's go to the other side of the fence where we're doing both sides. So I just went ahead and saturated this wood. Here's the opposite side. Again, doing a cedar tone. Let's go look at the other side of this fence. So here you can see some bleed through. I mean, it's not terrible, but in the event where if this neighbor didn't want their fence stained, you might risk having to come out here and do something for free. And you can see some bleed through down below, crawling up from the bottom. Here's a good example of that. So I'm gonna do a second coat on that side over there right now. All right, y'all wanna take a look? I haven't seen it yet. I'm hoping it's a good video. I mean, I don't see very many bleed throughs. Hopefully nothing worth a callback anyway. There you have it. A light coat first, let it kind of sit on there and dwell. I then went to the other side to flood coat it. And then, let me turn this around. I came back through with the second coat. And I'd say everything looks even, no bleed through for the neighbor. And on to the next yard. If you have any questions, please comment below. And please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more.